Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log into your US bank account on your phone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. In the search bar type US Mobile Banking, find the official app and tap Get. Step 2. Once the app is installed, tap the US Mobile Bank icon on your home screen. Tap to open it. Step 3. On the login screen, tap the username box and tap your online banking username. Step 4. Next, type your password. Make sure you enter it exactly. Watch for capital letters and symbols. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot ID or password to reset it. That's it. That's how to log in to US mobile banking on your phone. If this helped you, make sure like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.